2019 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, backup camera, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, leather wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, auto dimming rear view mirror, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.